932 train number. So Aaron is sitting in the front. One more train has come in here. I thought it will be our train, but no, there's one more. This has come from Jaipur and it will go to Bandra terminus. Show you all how it was. Last time Aaron had taken out, but he was not catching it properly. Good morning, it's 9:45 a.m. and we are on our way to Valsad railway station. We got our train, that is the double-decker train, at 10:12 a.m. which will reach Borivali at 12:10. 12932 train number. So Aaron is sitting in the front. This train has come from Baroda and the last stop is at Dadu. Our train will come after this. 12932. So this is Valsad station. It's 10 a.m. now and our train is at Dillimore Junction. One engine is, train is going now. As you can see, the train is given his horn, blown his horn, and you can still see the dopey people crossing the tracks. Not bothered. So taking the bridge, they want to go that way shortcut. And when the train bangs them, then they complain then. So this is Bandra terminus, interstate express. Bandra terminus to Surat and back to Bandra terminus. So all the working crowd people from Surat have come inside by this train over here. And in the evening they'll go back. So one more train has come inside. This has come from Ajmer and it will go to Dadar. So once this leaves, then after that our train will come. It's 10:10. 10:12 our train is supposed to come in, so it's delayed by maybe another 5-10 minutes. One more train has come in here. I thought it will be our train, but no, there's one more. This has come from Jaipur and it will go to Bandra terminus. Sitting here from a long time now. We thought that our train will come, but go to see this one has come. I hope after this our train should come here. Well, it's become too hot. Luckily we have the AC compartments, so it's okay. Try to go by this train, but then don't want to go because we already paid for that train. And again, the TC will take the money. We're paying double money. This is one goods train. It's here halted now in the past half an hour. And normally these goods trains, when they reach the station and if they get the rest signal, they sometimes remain for half an hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, depends.
Mama.
And there our train has finally come in, 12 minutes late, double decker. Train number 12932 from Surat to Mumbai Central.
Yeah.
So we'll go now because we got mango boxes to carry. Start walking on it. So see you all inside.
No carrying.
वन टू आ गया है तो ओवर ही जाना पड़ेगा लगता है मैं यहाँ कुछ पसीना बैठ जाऊँ चलो नीचे से ही चलते चल चलो तो ऊपर से चल मैं इधर रखती हूँ फिर लेके जाती हूँ
So I will just go from this compartment to the other compartment. Show you all how it was. Last time I had taken out, but it was not catching it properly. Sorry.